Look closely at this image, and what you will see is a very ancient way of gathering around someone who is grieving, or simply to grieve together, for example, after a burial, after a crisis, when a family or community is grieving. Sit like this, particularly if one person is just falling apart. For example, maybe one of your friends contacts you and says that they're in crisis and they don't know what to do and they don't know how long they can hang on. You could call other friends of this person and together go to their home and sit this way around them. It seems to tap into an ancient instinct we have to grieve together and not alone, the way most of us do now. There's an immediate sense of emotional safety, of being seen, of being cared for, all the things required to dissolve anxiety. Try this. And if there's only two of you, one person comforting the other, try sitting beside them rather than in front of them. I mean, maybe you want to hug them first, but then sit down beside them, one hand on the shoulder or the upper back behind the heart, and just sit quietly. By putting your other hand on your heart, it shows solidarity. It shows compassion. By lowering the head, this shows respect, not only to the person, but to their grieving. Grieving together like this is a sacred act that is extremely healing. And if you've never experienced it before, you must try it, because I think you will be almost shocked at how effective it is. We do this at every workshop, every training, every retreat. Whenever anyone becomes very emotional, we sit like this, and it works every time. You've tried everything else. You've tried grieving alone. You've tried staying away from people who you know and love that are grieving, thinking you're doing them a favor by giving them privacy. But our society now, we're not hungering for privacy. We're hungering for connection.
If this video was useful to you, please consider forwarding it to someone who you think would benefit as well. Also, please subscribe to Max's channel here and click the like button. It will help us reach more people. Thank you.